Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen soup. First, let's focus on the broth, which is the heart of any great ramen. Begin by simmering a flavorful base, incorporating ingredients like ginger and garlic. These aromatics will infuse your broth with a wonderful depth. Then, season it carefully with soy sauce and mirin to achieve that perfect balance of savory and slightly sweet notes. Next, let's get your noodles and toppings ready. Cook your ramen noodles according to package directions, ensuring they are perfectly al dente. While they cook, prepare your chosen toppings. Sliced chashu pork is a classic, but feel free to customize. Don't forget a perfectly soft boiled egg. Its creamy yolk will elevate the entire dish. Now for the exciting part, assembling your ramen bowl. Start by warming your serving bowls. This helps keep your ramen hot longer. Carefully place the freshly cooked noodles into each warmed bowl. Then, generously ladle your hot, aromatic broth over the noodles, ensuring they are fully submerged and ready to absorb all that delicious flavor. To finish, arrange your prepared toppings beautifully on top of the noodles and broth. Add your sliced pork, soft-boiled egg, and any other favorites. A sprinkle of fresh chopped scallions and a sheet of nori seaweed add both flavor and visual appeal. Serve your homemade ramen immediately to enjoy its warmth and incredible flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.